More breaking news coming in, and in the sister Abhaya murder case, both accused have been convicted by a CBI court. Remember that this is a 28-year-old case in which a Kerala nun had in fact been found dead inside a convent in Kottayam in Kerala. And in this case, there was a church priest and a nun who had in fact been accused by the CBI, charged with murder, conspiracy and destruction of evidence by the CBI. Both the accused have in fact been now pronounced guilty by the CBI court in Kottayam, in Thiruvananthapuram, beg your pardon. I am joined by my colleague Vivek over the phone line. Vivek, so this has been a 28-year-long wait, but in this case, finally, those two accused who had in fact been charged with murder by the CBI have been found guilty.
That's right. Both the accused has been now termed guilty, and of charges of murder and destruction of evidences. Remember, this is a 28-year-old case that happened in March 27, 1992. The case has been investigated by the Kerala police and the vigilance, but they declared it as a suicide. Later, the CBI took up the case. They filed a charge sheet, and it was a clear murder case. What the CBI says is that Sister Abhaya had got up early morning at around 4:15, and while she had gone to the kitchen of the convent, she saw, the Sister Sethi and the other two priests in a compromising position. When she shouted, they actually hacked her to death, and the body was put in the well. And later, the investigation went on. It dragged on for 28 long years, and the trial started in 2019 August, and on the December 2020, December 10th. The trial was completed. There were 49 witnesses, of which 8 witnesses turned hostile. And today, the CBI Special Court has convicted both of them of serious charges of murder, destruction of evidence, and now tomorrow, that is Wednesday, the CBI Special Court will proclaim the sentence. The quantum of punishment will be decided tomorrow in the same CBI Special Court.
Also, for the benefit of our viewers, this is a 28-year-old case, but it was a very significant case at the time when the murder actually took place, gripping the imagination of not just the state but also the nation. Take us through all the back and forths that we have seen, all the twists and turns. There were multiple CBI teams which in fact investigated this case before it actually took 30 years for us to reach the verdict that we can see coming out of a trial court. So for the benefit of our viewers, can you just take us through all the details that we have with regard to the investigation and the twists and turns and the drama that this case saw?
Let me tell you, on March 27th, 1992, this incident happened early morning at around 4:15. When Sister Abhaya had gone to have food, take water. In the convent, she saw the two priests and the Sister Sethi in a compromising position. She shouted, and she was hacked to death, fearing that she might reveal the incident to the others in the diocese. And later, the Kerala police began the investigation. They investigated for 14 days, and later it was handed over to the vigilance. The vigilance investigated the case for 9 months, and the charge sheet basically was filed in the Kerala High Court at that point of time, saying that it's a clear case of suicide. But later, a large number of people, especially from activist groups and other organizations, raised their protest, and they actually filed a complaint in the Kerala High Court, and after which the CBI was forced to take the case in 1993. And what I understand is that the CBI later found that it was a clear case of homicide. It was after that, the case started picking up. There were a lot of witnesses at that point of time. A thief, at that point of time, was a person who actually witnessed the whole incident, and also an activist, a public activist, was also there, named Rajagopal. And later, remember, in 2008, the CBI arrested Father Thomas Kotur, Father Jose Putrikail, and Sister Sethi of murder charges. And after that, Father Kotur filed a discharge plea, and she was let off. He had gone to US to come back, and then the case dragged on. The trial of this case began on 26th August 2018, and then the trial ended on in 2019. in 2020 December. And today, the verdict of the case is out here in the CBI court, and the CBI court has clearly said that they are being convicted of murder. There are clear evidences. Remember, there are 49 witnesses in this case, 8 turned hostile, and all these witnesses, the statements were recorded, in very, very clearly recorded, and now it was found that the quantum of punishment will be declared tomorrow. That is Wednesday, in the same CBI court where I'm standing in front of.
Vivek, thank you so much for bringing us the update as well as the background of this fascinating and extremely important case in which the trial court, the CBI court in Thiruvananthapuram, has finally delivered verdict today after 28 years since the murder took place.